Hello, my name is Kavyadi, a brand new member of Tiranda Buddhist Order. We are very near Valencia, where there is and has been a Sangha, a community of practitioners, for about 30 years. There's also been a physical space where we could meet and offer the teachings of Buddha Sakyamuni, the vision of Bhante Sangharashita, to the world. However, May last year, we had to leave the premises for rent on Sagunto Street. Months and effort later, thanks to a loan by Windhurst Trust and the generosity of the Sangha, we happily managed to buy, not rent, a new venue, bright, spacious, next to a park, and actually very well connected. Now this new venue needs to be properly refurbished and conditioned as soon as possible. We need to make it beautiful, comfortable, welcoming for the practice of the Dharma, to adapt it for everyone with any abilities and condition, and thus to be able to open it for you, for everyone, for the world. And 35,000 euros is the amount that is needed right now for the conditioning of this new venue. A center for everyone, a place of connection, of deep and beautiful friendship, where to practice wisdom and compassion through body, speech, and mind for the benefit of all beings. A fertile land of deep transformation, where to go beyond gender, race, beyond any suffering, any duality. A place for freedom. Now this is a real and straightforward opportunity to become a co-creator of conditions, so that more and more beings, through the practice of the Dharma, can transform suffering into joy, suffering into freedom. Please donate. Please donate what you can. Any contribution matters. Any contribution makes a difference, has an effect. And all contributions will redound in the spread of the Dharma for your own benefit and the benefit of all beings. Take this chance to change the world. Deep thanks.